Pan fry the chicken. A simple cooking technique explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common but essential cooking phrase, pan fry the chicken. Whether you're a beginner in cooking or learning English as a second language, understanding these types of phrases is crucial. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to pan fry chicken, including some tips to do it perfectly. Pan fry is a cooking method that involves cooking food in a pan with a small amount of fat or oil over medium to high heat. When we say, pan fry the chicken, it means to cook the chicken pieces in a skillet or frying pan using this method. It's a popular technique because it's quick, simple, and requires minimal equipment. Pan frying chicken involves several key steps to ensure it's cooked perfectly. Here they are. 1. Preparation. Begin by seasoning your chicken pieces with salt, pepper, or any other spices of your choice. This adds flavor to the chicken. 2. Heating the pan. Place your pan on the stove and heat it over medium to high heat. Then, add a small amount of oil or butter. 3. Cooking the chicken. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the chicken pieces in the pan. Cook each side until it's golden brown and fully cooked inside. The cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of the chicken pieces. 4. Serving. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the chicken more tender and flavorful. To achieve the best results when pan frying chicken, keep these tips in mind. Use the right pan. A heavy-bottomed skillet or pan is ideal for even heat distribution. Don't overcrowd the pan. Leave enough space between each piece of chicken to ensure they cook evenly. Monitor the heat. If the pan gets too hot, lower the heat to prevent burning. Conversely, if it's not hot enough, the chicken may release its juices and steam instead of frying. Safety first. Be careful of hot oil splatters. Use a splatter guard if necessary. We hope this video helps clarify what it means to pan fry the chicken and gives you the confidence to try this cooking method yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings and cooking times. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.